Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And now here I am, Rizky Kurniawan, with student ID of 2303050029, originated from the English Language Education Study Program, which is actually from the Faculty of Education and Teacher Training in Raja Ali Haji University, Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. And in this video, I would like to review one of the specific journal titled ESP Need Analysis of Computer and Network Engineering in Vocational High School. So this is actually the assignment that is given by by our lecturer, namely Sir Muhammad Chandra SPD MED, in the academic speaking course. So now, without any further ado again, let's get started. So the first thing that I would like to tell is that the specific journal that I would like to review is titled ESP, Need Analysis of Computer and Network Engineering in Vocational High School. So this, what ESP stand for in this one? So ESP, it is actually stand for English Specific Purposes. So this research is actually conducted by two researchers, namely Tri Nur Hasana and also Eric Kurniawan, who are actually originated from Indonesia University of Education. And now, the backgrounds that they have for conducting this research is actually most of the vocational high school students are basically learning the same thing with the general high school students, which is actually they are learning the same thing that is actually general English, whereas it is actually not meet the needs for the vocational high school students, which is more likely to be searching for the job occupations, not job oc- yeah, job occupations for their future right after they graduated from the school. And general English materials is not enough for them to be their materials, and also to be as their preparations for facing the occupations for their future. And now, because of that, the researchers would like to conduct how to what extent English specific purposes needed actually needed for the vocational high school students to actually learn more about English specific purposes instead of general English. So that's the background of this research. And now, because of in Indonesia, vocational high school students is more likely to be specific. There are tons of there are tons of there are tons of you know there are tons of majors that they could possibly enter. And in this research, they are mainly focusing on the computer and also network engineering major, which is more likely to specifically pointed on the modern society, because modern world needs modern resolutions, and modern resolutions in this modern era is more likely to be the computer and also network engineering. And that's why it is actually needed for them to learn more about English that is more likely to be specifically pointed to their major, instead of just learning about the general English that is more likely to be in our daily life. They have to learn more specific on their major, on their area. So, which is actually more likely to be the computer itself and also the engineering. And that's why it is actually needed for them to learn about English for specific purposes. And that's it. And also, because of vocational education institutions, not vocational high school students are after they graduated, they will be more likely to search for a job instead of continuing their study. It is actually needed for them to learn more terminologies about their major, about their area, that they will actually find a job that is related to it. So it is actually needed for them to learn more about the English specific purposes instead of learning the English for general one. Instead of learning general English. However, in their vocational high school, in the reality, both vocational high school and also the general high school are exactly learning about the same thing. And this is going to be the problem for the vocational high school students, because they didn't even meet their needs to actually fulfill their potentials on on mastering their majors. So this is going to be the problem that should be solved. And in the way to solve this problem, the researchers are actually want to make sure that the vocational high school students aware of this problem first. So this research is actually conducted in two methods, which is quantitative and also qualitative. The qualitative one, which is conducted in both ways, including the interviews and also the documentation analysis. Whereas the quantitative the quantitative method is actually conducted in questionnaire, in analysis questionnaire, which is contain 12 questions regarding about that is aimed to reveal the students' specific needs and objectives in a way to maximize their majors and their capabilities and also their chances to get a jobs in the future. And that's the methodology that is used in this research. So this study is encompassed or utilizing 44 students from 11th grade, which is consists of 20 males and also 24 females, majoring in computer and network engineering with a year of English learning exposure. So they already have the experiences regarding about utilizing English itself. They already have the experiences of learning English. So that's it. So this research is also carried out in vocational high school that is located in Riau province. So these specific goals, the goals of this research are specifically want to know about the awareness of the students, to know that how to what extent they actually need to learn more about English specific purposes instead of general English one. So here are the findings that is actually conducted in this study. So this study reveals that most vocational high school students are still have some confusion on what actually English specific purposes is and also general English, because this research it is actually shown that they still didn't have the awareness, they still didn't have the familiarity of English specific purposes itself. So they still perceive this as the general English because they actually consume all English stuff in general English materials instead of English specific purposes. So in this research, it's also shown that their English proficiency is more likely strengthened in only three areas, which are reading, listening, and writing. Whereas the other ones, which is grammar, vocabulary, and also speaking, they are still lacking it. So, in a way to solve this thing shows that they only master specific areas instead of mastering all of these things, because all of these areas in English are actually needed for them to be able to perform well in the job that they actually in charge of. So in this research, it is actually shown that most students are more likely to feel confident in their writing, listening, and reading instead of vocabularies, speaking, and grammar. And it is actually shown that this thing, the materials that is taught to them in their school is relevant enough, even though there are some of these students that think these materials are not relevant to their majors. But most of them, almost 68.2% of them, are agreeing that the materials that has been taught to them regarding what English materials are relevant enough are relevant enough for them. And it is also shown that the capabilities of the teacher to teach them about related to the English materials are very well enough. and it is actually good because it is actually a good sign. It is shown that the capability of the teachers is sufficient enough. So in conclusion, so in conclusions, yeah, in conclusions, the students are still perceiving that English, general English, is enough for them, even though in this, even though in this, in this modern world, in this nowadays situation, where all of the worlds, all of the situations are more likely to be contemporary. But from this research, it's still shown that students often misconstrue about ESP or English specific purposes is same with the general English one, which is actually not true. It's totally not true. It is totally wrong. Because English specific purposes is more likely to be focusing on their majors instead of general English. But they still feel that general English is sufficient enough for them to learn specifically about their majors. But it's actually not true. Ain't no way for them just you know just I don't know how to call it, but just depend on general English. It doesn't need it doesn't meet their needs to for their future jobs, because it doesn't have the relation with their jobs, because it is only relates on their general life. It's not related on their jobs. Jobs is more specific, whereas their life is more general. And general English is more likely to be general instead of specific. So ESP comes in to fill out that blanks, to fill out that space, to make sure that vocational high school not only have the appropriate general English skills, but also they have the appropriate and also sufficient specific English proficiency in a way to boost their chance and also to expand their capabilities on being in charge on their specific jobs also regarding about computing and also network engineering. And with this one, moreover, the students will realize about this and will significantly aware that English specific purposes is mainly needed for them to actually boost their career. And with this English proficiency, with their awareness, hopefully the students could enhance their proficiency on English in specific majors, and also they will decrease their they will decrease the not they will decrease but they will increase the more specific materials in their majors, and they could understand it also in English. So it will be significantly enabling them to work properly and professionally. And that's it. And that's all the takeaways and also the outlines that I could possibly take regarding about this journal titled ESP Need Analysis of Computer and also Network Engineering in Vocational High School. I would like to truly apologize if there are some mistakes and also attitude that may offend you as a viewer, and and also I would like to say truly thank you, and also huge thanks to all of the audience in here who are actually listening to me until the end. And that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching until the end. And I'm Rizky Kurniawan. I would like to close this by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen.